critical voice, guys, remember, it's just stuff that we've heard that we picked up along the way. It's not who we are. That's why you use tapping meditation. Yes, prayer is a form of meditation, and it is very, very effective to calm you. But now that you know, tapping is one of the 4 ways to change your programs and rewrite them. Tap while you pray. If you're always saying, I don't know what script to use, I don't know what script to use, tap while you pray. Number 2 about prayer that I need to remind you, we were taught incorrectly how to pray. We were taught to pray with words, I need, give me, please. No. As soon as you say I need, you are telling God, whoever you're sending that invitation out, universe, higher power, whatever, I don't have, I lack. What does that do with the law of attraction? I don't care if you believe in the law of attraction or not, it works every single day. Whether you send out positive or negative, that's what you're going to get. So if you're saying I lack, you're going to get more things in your life to make you feel like you lack. So don't say I need. Say I want. Say I desire. I deserve. How do you like that? I expect. Those are 4 words to replace need. Okay? Want, desire, expect, deserve. Don't ever forget it.